Alright, here we are at One Corporate Plaza. And we got some Schindler surprises here. Don't let you judge by that Epico Circle Line button. The one behind me has a floor passing chime. And we got this one right here. Look who's inside here.
Hello.
Alright, I want to push the button. Awesome! SchindlerHaughton, my very first! Oh, this one's got the chime too!
This is the only one.
Oh, I thought the one behind me has that chime.
No.
I'm gonna take a couple rides on this.
Sure.
Going down?
Just passing by.
Alright, have a good day.
Okay, cab you.
My very first original SchindlerHaughton.
There's Jim.
From 1985.
Got your fixtures.
Look in the mirror. Hi.
Mirror.
I'm gonna go for one more ride. I want to be quiet, listen to the chimes. I want to stop on an intermediate floor to see what kind of call station they have. These elevators are installed in 1985, so these gotta be SchindlerHaughton.
I'll hold the door.
Sure. Oh. Adam Survivor call buttons. This time, watch the button go out. Alex, a big thank you to you for showing me these awesome beauties.
I'll start my computer.
I'm gonna watch the door close and I'm gonna do a solo take. And there goes alexmcferren. There it goes, and that's it.